Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to get royal power in Aura Craft game. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Guys, let's start the video. First of all, you have to visit this shop over here. Go to this shop, and now first of all guys, you have to purchase this VIP Aura from here. Once you have this VIP, now you can easily make the royal power. What you have to do is, guys, you just need to combine two things here. First of all, you have to combine VIP and then combine it with life, and you will get royal power. So you just need to combine VIP and life, and you will get the royal power. But you must have this VIP aura, and you can purchase it. I don't have right now, but if you have it, I've told the recipe in this video. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.